हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम ऑल ऑफ़ यू इन माय यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल। मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल में आप लोगों का स्वागत है। इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन लीनियर मैपिंग ऑफ वेक्टर स्पेस, और also we say linear transformation. Linear transformation. So if U and V two vector space over the field, same field, let us have R set of real number. If U and V are two vector space over the field R, then one mapping f of V to U is called linear mapping, or linear transformation if it is satisfying this property. What is the property? If you take any element U comma V belongs to V and alpha, then your f of U plus V should be f of U plus f of V. This is the first property. And second property, if alpha is any scalar from the field we have taken and U is the any vector from the V, then f of alpha U equal to alpha into U. So if that mapping f satisfy these two property, so we say f is the linear mapping or linear transformation. Fine. So if you see the second property, from second property, if alpha is 0, so f of 0 into U, any vector, so that will be your f of 0 equal to 0 into whatever mapping we have, f of U, so that is equal to 0. So which imply f of 0 equal to 0. It means in that linear transformation or linear mapping, the image of 0 vector is always a 0 vector. So in that linear transformation, image of 0 vector is 0 vector. Fine. And one more thing, if we club these two, we can club these two property and write the single property, the same thing, like U and V belongs to vector space V, and if alpha and beta belongs to that field, then we can write f of alpha U plus beta V equal to alpha of f of U plus beta of f of V. So this is the single property of the linear transformation, and with that property additionally you have to add the image of 0 vector is always 0 vector in the linear transformation. Let us see few examples of linear transformation. I have taken one example. F is a mapping from RQ to RQ, f xyz equal to xy0. Okay, so let us see this is the linear mapping or not. So first property, the image of 0 vector, so that will be f of 0 comma 0 comma 0 equal to, in the place of x we have 0 here, in the place of y we have 0, and this z component is always 0 whatever 0 we have. So the first property, image of 0 vector is 0 vector, that is fine. Second one, let us take the two element x1 y1 z1 and x2 y2 z2, and alpha and beta two scalar. So let us check. So f of alpha x1 y1 z1 plus beta x2 y2 z2, so this equal to f of, we can have alpha x1 plus beta x2 alpha y1 plus beta y2 comma alpha z1 plus beta z2. Now what is the image of this? X component, y component and z component is 0. So the image will be alpha x1 plus beta x2, second one alpha y1 plus beta y2 comma 0. So now this can be written as alpha x1 alpha y1 0 plus beta x2 beta y2 0. So this will be alpha x1 y1 0 plus beta x2 y2 0 plus equal to alpha f of x1 y1 z1 plus beta x2 f of x2 y2 z2. So this f of alpha u plus beta v equal to alpha into f of u plus beta into f of v. So this is satisfying the property of linear mapping. So this given mapping is the linear transformation, linear mapping. Let us see few more example of linear mapping. If you take one mapping f from r to r, r square to r square, f of x comma y equal to x plus 1 comma y plus 2. So here we'll apply the first property, that f of 0 0 equal to 1 comma 2. So this is image of 0 vector is not a 0 vector. So this is not a linear mapping. So immediately we write this given mapping is not a linear mapping, because that property image of 0 vector should be 0 vector in the linear mapping, that is not satisfying. So this given mapping is not a linear mapping. So the few examples we have, that for linear mapping, let D is the mapping from V to V. V is the vector space of all continuous function, differentiable function. Then D of f of t equal to d by dt of f of t. And integral function, under mapping we can define I of f comma t equal to 0 to n f of t dt. So these two mapping are linear transformation. These two mapping are linear transformation. And what is the zero mapping? We say zero mapping. Zero mapping means a mapping f from u to v in such that f of u equal to 0 for all u belongs to u. The image of each vector of u is 0. So this is called the zero mapping. And what is the identity mapping? Identity mapping. So a mapping f from v to b, same vector space. So f of v equal to v. The image of any vector is the self image, same vector. So this is called the identity mapping. Next we have kernel and image of linear transformation. Kernel and image of linear transformation. Okay, so let f one mapping from v to u, where u and v are vector space over the same field. So f v from u is the linear mapping. So the kernel of f is denoted as kernel of f. We can define collection of all the elements of V which image is 0. Kernel of F is collection of all vectors of V whose image is 0. Fine. So we can define in this way, kernel of F equal to collection of all the elements of this V which image is F of V equal to 0. Fine. So this is your kernel of F, and for the same we can define the image of F. So image of F, collection of all the elements of U which has pre-image. It means for each element of U there exists element in V such that F of V equal to U. So collection of all the elements of U, in such a way there exists one element in V such that F of V equal to U. It means we need to collect all the elements of U which has pre-image. Pre-image means there exists one element in V such that F of V equal to U, that pre-image. So this is your kernel of F and image of F. So when we done that subspace, so this kernel of F and image of F form the subspace of the vector space V. Kernel and image of F form the subspace. So the kernel of F is the subspace of V and image of F is the subspace of U. We can prove using that one-step test of subspace. Let us take one example. F is a mapping from RQ to RQ. Then is define F xyz equal to xy0. So what is the kernel of F? Kernel of F means if you take the set of all the element in such a way 0 0 z, so what is the image? F of 0 0 z, that will be your 0 0 0. So the kernel of F 0 0 0 z axis, we can say z axis. Kernel of F is the z axis. And what is the image of F? So image of F, if you take any point in the xy plane, so this is your xy0, this is your means xy plane. So all the vectors of xy plane form the image of F and all the points of z axis form the kernel of F. So this was the definition of kernel of F and image of F. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.